Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I use Binance to dollar cost average my crypto investments and why it's been one of my most consistent strategies for building wealth over time. If you've ever tried to time the market, you know how stressful and unpredictable it can be, but what if I told you there's a smarter, simpler way? That's where DCA, dollar cost averaging, comes in. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, regardless of the market price. So instead of guessing the best time to buy Bitcoin or Ether, you spread your purchases out. This strategy helps reduce emotional decision making, smooths out volatility, and builds positions gradually. It's not flashy, but it works. I've used a few platforms to DCA, but Binance is my favorite. Here's why. Auto-Invest feature is simple and reliable. Low fees compared to other platforms. Huge. Variety of coins. Weekly and daily frequency options. Plus, Binance lets me earn passive income from my investments through flexible earn while still DCAing. Now, let me walk you through how I actually set up my weekly DCA plan. Step 1. Log in and go to Auto-Invest under the Earn tab. Step 2. Choose your crypto. I'm going with BTC and ETH. Step 3. Set the amount. I do $50 per coin per week. Step 4. Select frequency. Weekly on Mondays. Step 5, confirm with a stable coin like USDT. Done. Your purchases now run on autopilot. Every Monday, without fail, Binance buys my crypto. Choosing the right coins is important. My rule? I stick to large cap assets for DCA, coins with long-term value. My DCA portfolio includes Bitcoin, store of value, Ethereum, DeFi ecosystem, BNB, utility on Binance. Occasionally, I'll add in a small allocation of something like SL or Link, but 80% stays in top-tier assets. Even with DCA, you need a plan. Never invest money, you need short-term. Set a total monthly budget. Review your buys monthly. I also diversify across coins and rebalance quarterly. DCA is consistent, but that doesn't mean hands are forever. Every Monday morning, I get a notification. Auto-invest order completed. That's it. No stress, no checking charts. Here's a quick look at my real auto-invest history. You'll see 50 into BTC, $50 into ETH every week, same time. Over time, this adds up, and I've caught Bitcoin at 24K, 30K, and 65K, all with the same plan. I don't check prices daily. That defeats the purpose of DCA, but I do check once a month using a simple Google Sheet and Binance's portfolio tracker. I track total invested current value DCA, average buy price. This helps me stay focused on the big picture, not daily noise. When I started, I made a few classic mistakes. Switching coins too often, trying to time the dip while DCAing, not reviewing the strategy regularly. Don't do that. DCA is about discipline, not perfection. The moment I stopped fiddling with the plan, my portfolio became way more consistent. After 6 months of weekly DCA, I invested around $2,400, and the value fluctuated between $2,100 and $3,000 depending on the market. But here's what matters. I stayed in the game. And during a rally, my average buy price helped me outperform lump sum investors who bought at the top. Thinking about starting DCA? Here are 5 quick tips. Start small, even $10 a week helps. Choose 1-3 coins only. Use stable coins like USDT or BUSD. Pick a consistent schedule. Same day time. Don't panic sell. DCA is for the long game. This is how you build wealth quietly over time. So that's how I use Binance to dollar cost average every single week. It's not sexy, it's not fast, but it's steady, reliable, and honestly, peaceful. If you got value from this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're running your own DCA strategy. And hey, check out the other videos on this channel if you want to learn how I earn passive income using crypto while I sleep. Like this video. If you believe in long-term crypto investing, subscribe to the channel for more weekly strategies. Comment your favorite coin to DCA below. Try Binance Auto-Invest and start with just $10 a week.